TIAA Personal Portfolio Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to TIAA Personal Portfolio are in the description below. Let's dive straight into it. TIAA Personal Portfolio is a robo-advisor that combines automated investing with the option for human financial advisor support. It's designed for investors who are looking for a comprehensive, low-cost portfolio management solution with a strong focus on retirement planning. One of the main features of TIAA Personal Portfolio is its ability to create a diversified portfolio based on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It offers access to a mix of low-cost index funds and ETFs, ensuring broad market exposure, and provides automatic rebalancing to keep your investments aligned with your goals over time. A standout aspect of TIAA Personal Portfolio is its personalized approach. It offers a more tailored experience compared to other robo-advisors, taking into account your retirement needs and future planning. Additionally, it allows for human advisor consultations for a more hands-on approach if needed, which sets it apart from many fully automated platforms. This can be particularly beneficial for users who want expert advice but still prefer the automation of robo-advisors. Strengths. The main strength of TIAA Personal Portfolio is its low fees, with management costs that are competitive compared to other services in the market. It also provides tax-efficient strategies, such as tax loss harvesting and asset location optimization, which are important for long-term investors who want to minimize tax liabilities. The option to speak with a human advisor is also a strong plus for those who want that extra layer of support. Weaknesses. However, it's not for everyone. The platform's investment options are a bit more limited compared to other robo-advisors that offer a wider range of ETFs and assets. Additionally, while it's great for retirement planning, it might not be the best fit for more aggressive investors seeking advanced strategies. Conclusion. TIAA Personal Portfolio is an excellent choice for retirement-focused investors looking for low-cost, personalized investment management with the option for expert guidance. If you're looking for a straightforward, tax-efficient, and automated investment solution, TIAA Personal Portfolio could be the right fit. For more information, check the links in the description and be sure to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews.